Good morning, you guys. Good morning. It's Tuesday, new day. Let's make this money, you guys. Let's make this money. But it looks like today, they're not ordering food. I mean, groceries. People order groceries because I need to make money. I have been here for, right now it's 8. It just got 8 and I have been here since 7:40. I came late today and I haven't gotten an order, you guys. I haven't gotten an order, so I'm still in the parking lot waiting for order. I'm getting orders, but I don't want to take them. They're not bad orders, but at this time in the morning, I do not want to drive far, you guys. I want to drive far around when around 9, around 10, when the orders get slow. That's when I can drive far, like 10 miles, 9 miles. But in the morning, I don't like taking like 10 miles, 9 miles. And ever since I didn't take it, and they haven't given another orders, because they was bringing 10 miles, 9 miles, 11 miles, 12 miles. I'm like, you're good, but I'm not gonna take you. It's still all in the morning. Give me something good. For real, I was waiting for something good, and boom, they haven't given me another order. Like, just here. Let's keep waiting. Maybe they're gonna bring a good order. It's 8 right now. You guys, this morning, I don't know. It's 8:27 right now. Almost an hour. I just received an order, and this order is now for my usually Walmart that I sparking. I got another order to another Walmart that I have to go 8 minutes. So I was like, I better take this before I'll be here 3 hours without no orders. Oh Lord. So I'm going to that Walmart right now. It's 8-minute drive. And but it's a good order though. It's a very good order. It's $20 and it's a shopping order. And I'm only shopping 11 items. So why not? Why not drive that 8 minutes to go shop that order? So when I'm on this side, I usually work to 2 Walmarts. My Walmart and the other one that I'm going to. But most of the time, it's my Walmart. I only go there when they give me like a very good order, very good heavy order like this one. $20 for 0.9 miles. I'm running there. I am running there. So let's go shop it. Was the quickest shopping order. I am done shopping it. Like I only went to like 2 aisles. Everything was together, y'all. So this was the quickest shopping order. So I'm about to check out right now and It's 9:38, you guys. We just received our second order of the day. Second order of the day, and the pickup time is 9:55. 9:55. And it's $17, six miles, and it's going 3 drops. So far today it's, but hey, it's still in the morning. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Maybe the day might surprise. Because Walmart have big surprises, you guys. So I'm not gonna say much because it's still in the morning. It's still in the morning. It's still in the morning. Oh my gosh. I'm in the elevator, you guys. Go on 3rd floor. So basically these carts, they are outside of the building. So when you just get here, you load everything in the cart and you go in the building. It's so helpful, you guys. Like right now I'm on a 3rd floor. Basically, I don't like delivering places like this. I really don't like it. Like, it's double work. It's double work, but when it's a house, boom, 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 you go. But when you deliver a place like this, it takes your time. So in this building, it's supposed to have a code to come in. So she did not give me a code. She didn't even put code on her note. So I have to call her. It's too much. Now I'm going to my second delivery. This was my first one. My first drop off. Gonna go to my second one, you guys. Oh. Super slow, and I'm about to take a nap. Let's take a nap, you guys. It's 11:30 right now, and we're sitting on $38 from 7:40 to 11:30 right now, and we have $37. These people need to shop. They need to give us shopping orders. They need to give us deliveries. Because sitting in a car when we came to work, it's not fair. It's not fair for us. It's not fair for the bills. You know, we need money. We need to make money, you guys. If 11 passed without order, I'm gonna take a nap. You see my eyes? I am sleepy. This is what happens when orders are not coming in. They're giving orders, but they're such a bad orders. You can't just take them, because you're gonna be wasting your gas. Anyway, let's wait. Let's wait. It's now 12 o'clock, and I just gave my 3rd order of the day. Woo. You guys, I'm tired, to be honest. So we received the $13, going 0.9 miles, and only shopping for 1 item. So I have no idea why I took this card, because it's only one small item. It's only one small item here, and tell me why I took this card. Oh. Our 3rd order of the day is 12 o'clock. Looks like what she ordered is not here. So she orders this kind of, oh, I think it's this one. Wait a minute. Yep, it's this one. Let me try to scan it. So I was trying to scan these ones because it looks like this one, and it was not it. It was the ones in the box. Yay! It's 12:50. Just received another order. Our fourth order of the day. $27 and it's going 10 miles. It's a shopping order, and I'm shopping for 7 items. 7 items. I think it's about to stop picking up. I don't know, but it's been slow, you guys. The order is coming in slowly. But we're making our money. We're making our money. Going 10 miles. It's going 10 miles, and I'm shopping for 8 items. Only 8. Yo, 20 minutes? I never drive somewhere for one drop this long. 20 minutes driving? Oh my goodness. Wow. You guys, it's 2 right now. 2 p.m. and we only have $78. That's how slow it is today. $78 and it's 2 p.m. I'm still waiting for order. And guess what? I can't go home. I can't go home. I need the money. I can't go home, you guys. So I'm still waiting for order. Let's receive an order, $15, and it's a shopping order. And I'm only shopping for 2 items, and it's going 1 mile. It's 3 right now, 3:10, and I just received another order, and it's 2 drops, $15, and it's going 2 miles. So I'm waiting for them. Let me open the trunk right quick. So I'm waiting for them to bring my order and go. And this order is gonna put us on 109. 109. Is it? Let me go check. You guys, just look at this. One thing they know is how to waste people's time. Hold on, I think I got an order. They really know how to waste people's time, bro. After waiting for a while, they're gonna send this. Are you serious? I hope they pay me though. Hold on, order. The only thing that I hate is why when you're waiting for an order over 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and they just send this BS. Why? Just why? Explain to me, why would you do something like that? If you wanna cancel a trip, just send it like after 2 minutes or 3 minutes, people's waiting. Not the whole 10 minutes and you go send this bullshit. I don't understand. So let me wait. Right now it's 3, y'all. 3:15. Receiving shopping order, you guys. $15 and it's going 4 miles. I already shopped everything. When I see people, I stop talking. I'm not used to this. So anyway, I already shopped everything, so I'm going to check out right now. $16 going 4 miles, and it's shopping order, you guys, and we're shopping for 17 items, and right now it's 4:17, so we have like 1 hour and 30 minutes to work, And yeah, the day it was super slow. I'm gonna tell you how much we made for the whole entire day sitting in a car. Sitting in a car. Oh, I missed an parking lot. It's 4:50 right now. It's getting to the end of the day, you guys, and I just received another order. $21.09. It's going 2 drops. 2 drops, you guys. Ooh, we have 1 more hour to work and we're out of here. Out of here, you guys. 1 more hour to do and our shift is gonna be over. Just received my last order. You guys, it's 5 right now. Received my first order of the day. $13. we got $13, you guys. One drop off, and it's 2 miles. It's not shopping order. It's just a curbside. So, you guys, let me go take it. It's my last order anyway. The last order of the day, but I still need to come back to Walmart to shop for my groceries. So I don't know if I can go right now while I'm waiting for this order or come back at Walmart. I don't know what to do, y'all. If I go, no, let me just get the order and come back at Walmart, because I have to go around looking for stuff and that might take a long time. So anyway, let me just wait for order and I'm gonna come back at Walmart to shop for my groceries. The shift is over. As you can see, the colors start changing, starting getting dark. It's 6, you guys, 6. We're going home. Yo, guess how much we made? On a slow day, that slow day. Guess how much we made? $161. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I'm so grateful. Thank you, God. I wasn't even expecting this, you guys. I thought I was gonna make like 100. I wasn't expecting this for real. But 161, it's a lot. It's still a lot. So I'm only $39 away from my goal. But I have to go home. I have kids to go take care of. And so it's 6 now. I'm going home, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to share to anybody that you know that can benefit from this video. Maybe. Maybe. Anyway, guys, I love you guys so much. If you want to watch more video of Spark, hit the I love you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.